I'm John Cunningham, and welcome to another episode of Small Stocks, Big Money. For those of you new to the show, RedChip Companies is an investor relations, media, and research firm focused on emerging growth companies. Our unique platform combines global multimedia with traditional investor relations, reaching investors around the world. Today's show features interviews with executives of two companies. First up is Ino Holdings, stock symbol INHD on the NASDAQ. Ino Holdings is transforming the construction industry with its innovative approach to sustainable, efficient, and cost-effective building methods. The company recently completed an IPO on the NASDAQ, and they're expected to accelerate growth in the quarters ahead. Up next is Mobilicom, stock symbol MOB on the NASDAQ. Mobilicom is positioned to capture market leadership as the top end-to-end provider of hardware and software solutions in the rapidly growing robotic, defense, and commercial drone markets. You'll learn more about their comprehensive solutions and first mover advantage later in the show. Now, before we get to our first interview, our quote of the week, it comes from the book Small Stocks, Big Money. Get to know management. Look for intelligence, a high level of integrity, strong communication skills, and make sure they understand their products and business well. This quote comes from Charles Diker, an investment manager featured in Chapter 8 of Small Stocks, Big Money. This is a book written by RedChip CEO Dave Gentry and has exclusive interviews with some of the biggest players in the microcap space. Get a digital copy on Amazon today for just $18. Quick question. Are you interested in gaining a deeper understanding of the companies featured on Small Stocks, Big Money? If so, be sure to join us for our exclusive investor webinars. This is your opportunity to gain an in-depth look at our featured companies and where you can speak directly to management, giving you tremendous insights straight from the source. Visit redchip.com/events for a full calendar of upcoming webinars and register today to secure your spot at the next event. Now let's get started with our first interview today with Ino Holdings.
Hello, today we have Alice Gong, COO of Ino Holdings Incorporated, which has just IPO'd on the NASDAQ under the ticker INHD. Alice, welcome.
Thank you for having me, Craig.
You are quite welcome. Ino Holdings is an innovative building technology company on a mission to transform the construction industry. Let's start with an overview of your business operations.
We were founded in late 2019. Inno takes its name from innovation and is committed to the research and development of intelligent light gauge steel products, providing higher performance and greater efficiencies in all aspects of construction. Specializing in cold-formed steel members, we offer end-to-end services, transforming raw materials into precise steel framing and prefabricated homes, from residential to commercial, industrial, and infrastructure projects. Our finished products cater to diverse building needs, serving business and customer alike. And our mission statement is very clear. We are aiming to change the world for the better by leveraging technology to lower the cost and the environmental footprint of construction while creating more durable and resilient buildings. Inno recognized the inherent inefficiency and waste in traditional lumber-based construction techniques and sought to develop steel-based construction techniques to solve the problem.
Alice, just how big is the market opportunity you are addressing with your products and services?
Actually, the present market offers a substantial $40 billion opportunity within the United States for framing and prefabricated home manufacturing. Specifically, there is a $6 billion market segment for light gauge steel framing and a $9 billion segment dedicated to prefabricated home manufacturing. And also, we have $25 billion segment for traditional wood framing, highlight that of remarkable conversion potential within this industry.
Let us talk about your business model, Alice. How does Inno Holdings make money?
Well, we have 4 featured products that have achieved or will achieve substantial market traction. And for the intelligent light gauge steel framing solutions, our business model is B2B, business to business. And we operate as both a manufacturer and a wholesaler of our smart steel studs product. We have a strong focus on building relationships with our partners and customers. And we work closely with them to understand their needs and provide tailored solutions. Additionally, our wholesale model allows us to offer competitive pricing and flexible ordering options to our B2B partners. And meanwhile, we are in a transition to more larger scale projects from this year. And for other 3 products, our business model is either B2B or B2C. The first one is our function meets aesthetic manufactured home, Caster Cube, which has garnered significant interest, attesting to its innovative design and market appeal. And the second product is Mobile Factory, which has demonstrated its transformative potential, particularly in areas with limited accessibility and infrastructure. Lastly but not least, our multifamily home design boasts a high degree of proven replicability, making it a versatile choice for a wide array of geographic regions.
Alice, congratulations to you and the team on becoming a NASDAQ listed company. It's a big milestone. What is your direction for the next, say, 3 years?
We have some strategic planning for the next 3 to 5 years. And I just want to talk about 2 profitable products, the Caster Cube, which is a prefab home, and Village 101, which is the apartment product, will remain our primary focus in the next 3 to 5 years. As we continue to invest in research and development, we are confident that these products will drive our future growth. Furthermore, we are refining our client profile from individual homeowners to middle-sized builders, and this shift will allow us to better cater to the needs of our clients and position ourselves as a reliable and trusted partner in the construction industry.
Management, Alice, of course, is key to the success of any company, and especially a smaller cap company. Investors want to know, who are some of the key players on your team?
So our CEO, Mr. DK Liu, aka DK, is a serial entrepreneur with 10-year ground-up experience and solid knowledge of mechatronics, motivated by innovations and creations to disrupt the current construction industry. And our CFO, Mr. Tianwei Li, better known as Solomon. Solomon brings a wealth of experience and a diverse skill set to our leadership team, with the background deeply rooted in finance, strategic thinking, and real estate. And lastly, myself, the Chief Operating Officer. As a seasoned operations expert, my multifaceted background empowers me to enrich our company's operational excellence, strategic planning, and cultural vibrancy. And also, we have some other very good team members. Our team is small but close-knit, with every member cross-trained to handle different types of jobs. This has enabled us to operate efficiently and effectively.
Okay, Alice, I'm going to put you on the spot here a moment. Give us the essential value proposition. Why should an investor take an interest in Ino Holdings right now?
I believe it's a continued innovation. INNO will continually focus on the development of new and high-value products for our customers. So we have a pipeline growth with a focus on large and replicable projects. And also we have expanded sales and marketing to educate the customers about the benefit of our products. Launch of Caster Cube and Village 101 definitely is vital. The housing crisis is here. We are determined to play our part in offering solutions to the American people. Again, INNO is not just a typical domestic manufacturer. INNO is making a real impact on the construction industry as we encourage turnkey construction methods by implementing offsite prefabrication of sustainable light gauge steel panels, which in turn decrease labor and typical delays. At its core, our vision is simple yet profound: to provide quality, affordable, and sustainable shelter for all and our next generations. And this is why we feel confident that investors should have an interest in Ino Holdings Inc., INHD.
Sounds great, Alice. And congratulations once again on that IPO. And thank you for sharing your story with us.
Thank you so much for having me, Craig. My pleasure.
Now, to get more information on Inno Holdings, visit INHDinfo.com. You can also call 1-800-RedChip to speak to a specialist if you have any questions. We also have a free weekly newsletter you can subscribe to at redchip.com, featuring emerging growth companies like Inno Holdings. In addition to our newsletter, you can also order your copy of Small Stocks, Big Money. This is a book written by RedChip CEO, featuring interviews with some of the biggest players in the microcap space. Order your copy at Amazon.com today for just $18. Now let's move on to our next interview today with Mobilicom.
Hello, everyone. Today we are excited to have Oren El-Kayem, CEO and founder of Mobilicom, trading on the NASDAQ under the ticker MOB. Oren, welcome back.
Thank you very much for having me.
Congratulations on securing a new production scale order with Israel Aerospace Industries for the Skyhopper Pro Light. Can you share some insights into how this order impacts Mobilicom's growth and strategic direction?
II is one of the largest defense and drone manufacturers worldwide, and also a great player in the loitering munition world, kamikaze drones. Mobilicom has secured this design win a while ago, but this time, II has placed a purchase order to initiate their production. It's another Tier 1 worldwide player that shifted to mass production with Mobilicom and started to deploy solutions into the world. That's great news for Mobilicom because II is one of the largest players worldwide, and because it's one of a stream of Tier 1 players shifting right now with production scalability with Mobilicom.
That is very exciting news, Oren. Now, for those who may not be familiar with Mobilicom, please give us a general overview. Who are you? What do you do? And what core technologies and services do you provide?
Mobilicom is unique by the fact that we are an end-to-end provider of the critical cybersecurity, software, and hardware systems to the drones and robotics industry and manufacturers. We are the core of the drones and robotics world. We provide the critical technology, systems, and aspects that enable drones and robotics to operate, to communicate, to secure themselves, and so forth. So we are the brains within the drones and robotics solutions.
The Skyhopper Pro Light, Oren, seems to be a significant development in your product lineup. Can you elaborate on the unique features of the Skyhopper Pro Light? Especially, I want to hear about its cybersecurity and communication capabilities.
Cybersecurity Light was designed with focus on small-sized drones. Those are drones that are carrying the majority of the volume and value of this industry that is right now ramping up significantly worldwide, both on the civil market as well as in the defense market. And that was designed for that. The cybersecurity features and capabilities makes the Skyhopper Light a unique product in the market, capable to do things that others are unable to do, to safeguard operation and maintain the mission in all environments under threats, interferences, jamming, and other critical attacks. While we have other solutions in the family, like the Skyhopper Micro, which was on the news again and again recently. This one is designed for the mini drones. We see a great ramp up also in the miniature sized drones, which is used either for reconnaissance intelligence or for loitering. So we cover the entire industry through a series of 6 products under Skyhopper family. The latest news has been around Skyhopper Micro for the mini drones around United States and other countries, as well as the Skyhopper Light that is making great waves across the industry worldwide.
Oren, the news out this week about the order for the Skyhopper Pro Light says that it will be deployed by Israel's Ministry of Defense, and there's even mention of interest from other global defense entities, among them the U.S. Department of Defense. How does Mobilicom tailor its products to meet the diverse requirements of these national defense agencies?
The family of Skyhopper was designed as a software-defined radio, SDR solution, which can be tweaked. It's flexible, it's adaptable, and it's easy to do so to meet the requirements of United States DoD or civilian market, as well as other government or commercial entities around the world. We are doing that as we speak with numerous customers, fitting that and matching it and tailor it to their needs. And that's the beauty and uniqueness that sets Mobilicom apart with their software-defined radio solution, together with the security features and cyber protection it has inherently inside, which makes it one of the kind in the industry today. Definitely fit to size, to weight, to cost. It's a leader solution in the industry today.
Mobilicom is clearly gaining traction, Oren. Recap for us some of the key developments over the past 6 months.
In the recent 2 quarters, we have seen a very big ramp up with Mobilicom solution. For those investors that don't follow Mobilicom, I will emphasize some of those elements. It started in Q3, where one of the largest players in the world, based in the United States, a huge New York Stock Exchange company, has shifted to commercialization and ramp up manufacturing with Mobilicom Scarper solution for its loitering drone to be deployed by the US DoD. It continued with the same customer in Q4 that already doubled the order from Mobilicom to ramp up their production even faster. It continued again with another tier 1 player coming from Israel, which is one of the biggest in the world in loitering kamikaze drone solutions, that placed an order for initial production ramp up or in the magnitude of about $1 million, which is a great move for Mobilicom. And then continue again with this, another purchase order from IAI, one of the largest defense and drone manufacturers in the world, that also shifted to production. So you see that the strategy is working. We have more and more of the tier 1 biggest player shifting to production scalability, which have enormous effect on Mobilicom, because this is the tipping point of our business. This is the start of the curve of the hockey stick that everybody is talking about. It also continues with other great news that we have mentioned. For example, the fact that the Skyhopper solution was chosen to the soldier kit of the DoD raid program done by Tomahawk, and many other good news that we released over the last weeks and months. So you can see the momentum building up, and everything is accelerating rapidly for Mobilicom.
Your progress is undeniable and very exciting, Oren. Thank you for sharing this most recent bit of news with us.
Thank you very much, and stay tuned again for more good news coming very soon from Mobilicom.
Now, to get more information on Mobilicom, visit mobilicominfo.com. You can also call 1-800-RedChip to speak to a specialist if you have any questions. Now let's recap the companies you met today. First, you met Ino Holdings, stock symbol INHD on the NASDAQ. The company's solutions reduce construction times by over 50%, while significantly cutting labor costs. As a trailblazer in the burgeoning $235 billion off-site construction market, Ino Holdings is seizing the opportunity presented by the increasing trend towards modular building techniques. The company isn't merely offering an alternative to construction methods, it's establishing a new industry standard. Ino Holdings is delivering unparalleled value to its commercial, residential, and industrial clients. Learn more at INHDinfo.com. Then you met Mobilicom, stock symbol MOB on the NASDAQ. Mobilicom has established itself as a key player in the $34 billion drone market. With proprietary solutions that enhance drone performance, offer comprehensive cybersecurity, and ensure faster time to market. Mobilicom's attractive investment proposition is driven by its first mover advantage, unique end-to-end offerings, expanding customer base, robust financial position, and significant potential for growth. Again, if you have any questions about any of the companies featured on today's show, call us at 1-800-RedChip or email us at info@redchip.com. In closing, remember, while small caps can provide significant gains, you must be prepared for the downside. Small cap stocks are among the most volatile asset class. Some of the companies featured on this show are RedChip client companies, and we may own stock in these companies. So please always read our disclosures at redchip.com. Thanks for being with us today. We'll see you next week with some new exciting emerging growth company.
Recognizing the inefficiencies and waste of traditional lumber-based construction, Ino Holdings is on a mission to revolutionize a $270 billion industry with advanced steel-based technologies. Born from the spirit of innovation, Ino Holdings specializes in developing and commercializing next-generation steel-building products that offer higher performance and efficiency in every aspect of construction. With its expertise in cold-form steel members, Ino Holdings provides end-to-end services, transforming raw materials into precise steel framing and prefabricated homes. From residential to commercial, industrial, and infrastructure projects, Ino Holdings' game-changing products cater to diverse building needs, serving businesses and consumers alike. With a current order backlog of more than $15 million and upcoming near-term new product launches, Ino Holdings is poised for a bright future and exponential growth. Ino Holdings, where innovation builds a better world. Learn more at INHDinfo.com or call 1-800-RedChip. Imagine a world where drones and robotics are synonymous with safety, precision, and unmatched cyber defense. Welcome to the world of Mobilicom. As a leading provider of robust solutions for drones and robotics, Mobilicom is poised to capture market leadership in a sector expected to reach a staggering $8.5 billion by 2026. Amid global tensions, such as the Ukraine-Russia conflict, the demand for Mobilicom's drone cybertech solutions is skyrocketing. The company's portfolio, deployed across 16 countries and trusted by over 50 customers, encompasses field-proven technologies that monitor, operate, connect, and secure drones and robotics. And who are Mobilicom's customers? The world's leading defense and commercial drone manufacturers. Mobilicom is not just a participant. It's a game changer in the $34 billion drone market. Mobilicom's product suite, including Skyhopper data links, ground control systems, mesh network, the ICE cybersecurity suite, and Control It serves as the brain inside commercial and defense drones, protecting them from cyber attacks and enhancing their performance. With 34 patent claims and numerous trade secrets, Mobilicom is at the forefront of innovation. Financially, Mobilicom stands on solid ground, with gross margin of 64% in 2022, an increasing share of software-as-a-service sales, a cash balance of $10 million, and zero bank debt as of October 1st, 2023. Mobilicom is set for expansion and ready to soar. Learn more at mobilicominfo.com or call 1-800-RedChip. Welcome to XL Brands, where the future of retail blends shopping, entertainment, and social media. XL stands out in the market, trading at a steep discount to its intrinsic value, offering a remarkable opportunity for investors. By 2026, social commerce is expected to account for 20% of all online sales, and XL is ideally positioned to dominate this market. With over 5 million social media followers, $600 million in annual retail sales, and 20,000 hours of live content, the power of XL's brands is evident. XL operates on a lean capital model, with a track record of consistent revenue growth and increased EBITDA. The introduction of Orme, XL's game-changing social commerce platform, is set to boost cash flow beginning in Q1 2024. The company is led by a highly accomplished management team, with insiders owning over 60% of shares, making XL a standout investment. Their blend of cutting-edge technology, creative prowess, and financial strength positions XL as an enticing investment choice. Become part of the future of social commerce with XL Brands, XELB on NASDAQ. To learn more, visit xelbinfo.com or call 1-800-RedChip.
Hello, I'm Bob DeLorean. I am the chairman and CEO of Excel Brands. Excel is an industry leader in live stream shopping over linear television. This year, we passed over $4 billion in sales on QVC, HSN, and other networks like them around the world. We have over 20,000 hours of programming time and have an outstanding team of managers that have all worked together over the last 30 years in prior companies and 13 years in Excel Brands. We believe that our company is positioned for very strong growth over the next 3 to 5 years, given recent licensing agreements that we've entered into with our brands and expense cuts that we've made to our P&L, and are in the process of launching a new live stream platform that will turn the everyday shopper into a paid social media influencer. We believe this is going to revolutionize shopping over the internet. It will become a very significant part of all e-commerce platforms, and it will enable every shopper to become a paid influencer. People will simply think differently about sharing information about brands and retailers over the internet and social media platforms when they become a member of our new Orme platform. To learn more about us, visit us on our website at excelbrands.com.